welcome back to our channel, the Infinity Coding Club. If you haven't done so yet, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. In our channel, you will find all kinds of resources related to computer science for all levels. Okay, so let's get started. In this video, you will learn about what is coding. First of all, what does coding look like? Are these code? Of course not. How about this? Nope, that is not what I meant when I say coding. The code we are talking about is used to create mobile games, robot vacuums, cell phones, computer programs, video games, RC cars, and much more. And the code that I'm also talking about can be written with letters, symbols, and numbers. So code looks like this, or even like this. This part here in the middle, that's what our code block is. Or even this. But did you notice that all the pictures of coding that I showed you looked a little different than others? Some used different colors, some had different symbols. So why are they different? The reason they look different is because they are of different types of languages. So computer programs have a lot of languages, just like us, Or did you know all around the world there are about 6,500 languages? I only know English and Spanish. How about you? Well, back to talking about coding. Computers are the same way. They have languages. Depending on the task we need to get done will depend on what language we use. Once we choose a language, we can start writing code. And has anyone thought about the question, who writes code? Well, anyone can. However, a person who has a job writing code is called a computer programmer. Many computer programmers know more than one computer language, and they create cool technology every day. It's amazing what you can do on a computer, right? However, computers would not know what to do without code. They are good at following step-by-step instructions, but only if we write the code with enough detail. Let's look at a snippet of code of two different languages. I will be using C# and Scratch. And both of the programs will be doing the same thing. They will be basically asking what your name is, and then you will enter the name, and they will greet me depending on my answer. So let's take a look. Here is C# code. I've already added it on here, and as you can see, there's a couple lines down here. These are the most important ones. Like write the line, it's going to ask a question, then it's going to read my answer to what I typed in, and then it's going to greet me saying hello using the answer and saying nice to meet you. So something that I have here set up is a console application. As you can see, I ran the program and it's asking my name. I'm going to type it in, Kren. Click enter. As soon as I click enter, it's going to read that line, and then it's going to execute the next line of code, which is hello Karen. Now let's run it again with a different name. This is what is your name, and I'm going to type in, let's see, what can I use? I'll use something different, Lisbeth, just so that you guys see that it'll read, hello Lisbeth, nice to meet you. So these are the three main lines, right, there's more to it, but just so you can see the difference. So now let's go to Scratch. Scratch is going to be doing the same thing. Instead of like text-based, this is more blocks. It's more for younger children or people that are starting to learn about a code. They like to jump in here. So here it's saying ask, what is your name, and it's going to wait. Then when we type in the name, it's going to do the same thing. See, what is your name? Type in Karen, press enter, and now it's going to say hello Karen, and this one's set up for 2 seconds. So even though they look different, they're practically doing the same thing, right? So just so you can see the difference between C# and Scratch. So this concludes our video. I hope you liked it. We have talked about what is coding and some of the things we can do with it. We have also wrote a small block of code in 2 different languages. Hope you enjoyed and learned something in this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to watch our other videos on this channel, the Infinity Coding Club. Thanks for watching and supporting. Until next time, bye!